它这个是歪的，哦，这个还没弄，这个，但是这个也是，这个
没事，不用管。关键是装那个就行。就是这边哪里？
哦，行。OK。Okay, hello everyone. Hello every friends from across the globe. A warm welcome to today's live stream. I'm Ida. Yes, and thank you for your watching. Uh, before we before we start our main topic, yes, the ferroalloys. Uh, let me take a moment to introduce you to a very traditional and special Chinese festival. Yes, the Qingming Festival. And mm, the Qingming Festival, also commonly referred to as a tomb sweeping day, yes, and typically falls between April 4th and 6th every year. It's a time when the Chinese pay deep respect to their ancestors. Yes, and the families make their way to the graves of their departed loved ones. It meticulously clean the tombstones and offer beautiful flowers, delicious food, and fragrant incense. It's a solemn, yes, it's a solemn time of remembrance but it's also a threat when the weather starts to turn pleasant. Yes, people head out doors for spring outing, relishing the beauty of nature, and it's this wonderful blend of looking back at the past and embracing the present that makes Qingming Festival so unique. So maybe you can have a easily understand for the Qingming Festival. Maybe some friends, maybe it's the first time to for some friends to know the festival, and maybe some friends have understood the festival uh, before. Yes, um, but uh, but whatever I want to introduce our traditional festival to you. Yes, in the Charming Festival, we always have about 3 days as a holiday uh, to spend to experience the festival. Yes, and now let's turn to let's start our main topic, the Ferroalloy market. Yes, and we know that maybe that you may be uh, maybe interested in it in the main topic. Yes, we are going to take a close look at the market changes around the Qingming Festival. Yes, focusing focusing specifically on ferrochrome, ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, and ferrovanadium. Yes. First, for the ferrochrome, leading up to Qingming, the ferrochrome market was on a wild rise. Yes, the 5 months high carbon ferrochrome tender price set by uh, Qingzhen Holding Group skyrocketed. This sent market quotations shooting up in a flash. However, the stainless steel market didn't quite live up to expectations. Tender prices from some special steel mills were lower than what the market had hoped for. As a result, trading at the retail and became extremely cautious. Some enterprises even had to nudge their quotations downward. And let's talk about what happened right after Jimmy. On the first day after the festival, just this Monday, yes. The price of high carbon ferrochrome continued its upward trend, increasing by another 100 yuan per 50 base turns. A major source of breaking ferrochrome, our supplier closed a new round of long-term contract spot deals for 40 to 42% chrome concentrate at 285 United dollars. Uh, uh, dollars per ton CF. That's a $15 per ton CF increase compared to the previous uh, period. The transaction volume reached 50,000 tons, and the shipping date is set for the end of May. Additionally, the spot price of chrome ore also showed a slight upward trending movement. All these factors have further strengthened the cost support for ferrochrome. In terms of production and imports, both the output and import volume of ferrochrome are lower than the same period last year. On the other hand, on the other hand, the output of stainless steel has risen to a level slightly above the normal range. As a result, the supply-demand relationship for high-carbon ferrochrome has been significantly repaired and coupled with some external factors, the current supply of high-carbon ferrochrome remains persistently tight. Ferrochrome factories has become increasingly reluctant to sell and are more eager to maintain high prices. A, a large domestic factory has taken the lead in quoting the retail uh, ex- factory price at 9,000 yuan per distance. Wait a moment. Oh, hello, Lina. Hello, Luna. Hello, Lina. Uh, How is the ferroalloy market in China recently? Yes, I'm introducing the ferroalloy market in China recently. Now I'm introducing the ferrochrome market. Yes, so if you are interested in ferrochrome, please listen to me. Yes, thank you, and thank you for your time. After the ferrochrome, I will introduce the ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, and ferrovanadium. Uh, and yes, this is uh, today's time schedule. Uh, yes. Okay, now let's continue to the ferrochrome market. Uh, yes. Um, well now, due to the global tariff wars, both the stock market and the future raising. There is still a certain gap between the actual purchase. Although the retail price of ferrochrome is still rising, there is still a certain gap between the actual say fees. Right now, increase as the name of the game, with the steel mills continuing their um, process and the price of raw material chrome or remaining high. The market hold steady and firm in the short run. On the supply side, we might see an uptick as some previously idled production enterprises could restart operations. On the demand side, the recovery in stainless steel crude steel output is uh, following the is fueling the demand for ferrochrome. Plus, the rising cost of chrome ore has jacked up the production cost of ferrochrome, which in turn is pushing up its retail price. Yes, uh, this is the ferrochrome market. Uh, Ferrochrome market around the Qingming Festival. And next, I will introduce the ferrosilicon. Yes, if you are interested in ferrosilicon, please leave your comments. And let's talk about the ferrosilicon. And if you also want to know about other ferroalloys such as uh, ferromanganese, yes, and ferromanganese and calcium alloy, nitride alloy, or other ferroalloys, please also leave your comments. Or you can also contact us directly or uh, or click our website. Yes, contact us. Okay, then for the ferrosilicon, yes, amidst the backdrop of the global economic situation, the ferrosilicon market has been significantly affected during the Qingming Festival. The holiday overseas markets such as US stocks and crude oil plummeted due to the so-called reciprocal tariffs imposed by the US. In response, China took resolute and forceful countermeasures starting from April 10th. 34% tariff was added to all imported goods from the US on top of the existing applicable tariff rates. This has led to an intensification of global trade dispute disputes. A significant increase in the expectation of a weakening economy and a decline in the expected demand for commodities. As a result, the overall uh, co- co- commodity market has seen a slump. Yes, futures opened lower today, and factories are generally less enthusiastic about cutting prices. The progress of monthly steel uh, procurement is slow, with HBIS yet to release its tender documents. Southern steel mills set their pre-festival prices at 6140 to 6180. Yes, uh, it's six thousand and 140 to 6,180 yuan per ton delivered. Delivered. Before Qingming, if the market anticipates a booming steel industry, the price of ferrosilicon often shows an uh, upward trajectory. But currently, with the weakening economic outlook and reduced demand expectations, even ferrosilicon can hardly remain unscathed after the market decline. Factories are reluctant to offer prices, waiting for new opportunities to emerge. If the operating rate of downstream steel enterprises goes up in the future, the demand for ferrosilicon will swell and its price is likely to strengthen. Otherwise, it will soften. The the supply demand supply demand dynamic is the key here. The growth of the steel industry has a massive impact on the demand for ferrosilicon. For instance, when infrastructure construction is in full swing and the demand for construction still surges, it will drive the demand for ferrosilicon. If production enterprises face capacity constraints due to environmental policies or equipment maintenance, the supply will shrink, shrink, and the price may climb. More raw material costs are a big deal. The main raw materials for ferrosilicon, like silicon, semi-cook, and electricity, if their prices increase, the production cost of ferrosilicon will soar, pushing up its price. Okay, that's about the ferrosilicon market. The next is the next is about ferromanganese. Yes. Now let's talk about the ferromanganese market. Yes. Also, it's at the beginning of the week. domestic black cereals products in the future market opened lower with a gap, affected by the so-called reciprocal tariffs. The opening price of silicon manganese dropped to as low as 5,009 and the 900. However, the trend of manganese ore has been relatively stable. Ferromanganese factories, due to cost support, have no intention of further price concessions for now. In various regions across China, the mainstream transaction price of 65 65 power monies remains at the level of 5,000 and 400 and 400 yuan per ton. In the medium and low carbon pharmacies market, both the buyers and the sellers have been continuous price gaming situation. The overall sport market is somewhat in a still stalemate, with some actual transaction prices being slightly adjusted. Currently, the mainstream transaction price of medium carbon pharma is 75 carbon 2 stands at about 7,800 to 7,900 yuan per ton, and that of low carbon ferromanganese 0.7 remains at the 10,000 yuan mark. And okay, and look at the supply side. The production of mainstream large manufacturers has been basically stable. Some small suspended production factories might resume operations, which could potentially increase the overall supply. In terms of demand, is the output of stainless steel, especially the 200 series and mm, and the 300 series increases significantly, it will drive up the demand for ferromanganese. Finally, let's focus on ferrovanadium. After Qingming this year, after Qingming Festival, we have seen a notable upward adjustment in ferrovanadium quotations. The main reasons behind this price hike are quite interesting. First, the anticipation of a positive outlook in the uh, manufacturing industry has been a significant driver, as the domestic economy is expected to recover and improve gradually. Downstream steel mills are showing more enthusiasm in their tendering activities. This growth in demand from steel mills, especially with the expectation of an increase in production as the economy rebounds, has put upward pressure on the price of ferrovanadium. Moreover, from the cost perspective, any potential increase in raw material prices or a tightening of the supply chain for raw materials used in ferrovanadium production has also contributed to the price price rise. Suppliers foreseeing better market conditions and facing their own cost challenges, have adjusted their prices accordingly. Um, in terms of market performance, we can observe that transaction in the ferrovanadium market have been relatively active. Steel mills fearing further price increases are more willing to enter the market and secure their supplies. This has led to a situation where the market isn't only seeing price hikes, but also a healthy volume of transactions. Looking ahead to the future trend, it's predicted that the price of ferrovanadium may continue to uh, let me check the message. Please wait a moment. Okay, just some photos. Mm, Looking ahead to the future trend, it's predicted that the price of ferrovanadium may continue to show an upward trend in the short to medium term, especially from January to May 2025, with an expected upward adjustment ranging from 1,000 to 6,000 yuan per ton. However, around June to August, we might witness a seasonal correction. This is mainly due to the traditional off seasons in the market, during which the demand usually weakens. But come September to December, as the traditional peak season arrives and with the approach of the year of the year end, when steel mills typically stock up, there could be another round of price increases. Of course, the overall trend will still be closely tied to the manufacturing industry continue to grow as expected and the demand from steel mills remains strong. The price of ferrovanadium is likely to be well supported. Yes, that's all the information about the ferrochrome, ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, and ferrovanadium. Um, this four kind of ferroalloys. They their market uh, their market information around the Qingming Festival. Yes, that's all I want to share with you. And if you are also interested in other ferroalloys, whatever nitride ferroalloys, calcium ferroalloys, alloy called wear, or other products, if you are interested in ferroalloys, please contact us via WhatsApp or email. You can contact us directly. Sure. Of course, you can also click our website. Yes, our website includes many information about this ferroalloys. You can check these ferroalloys in our website to know more uh, more, and you can also um, leave your message in our website to get a price or other reply. Mm, um, Let me introduce you to our company, ING Metallurgical Materials. Again, yes, we are a leading player in the ferroalloy industry. Our product, yes, including high quality ferrochrome, ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, and ferrovanadium, as known for their excellent quality and stability. What truly sets us apart uh, uh, what truly sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to customer service. We offer tailor-made solutions to meet your specific requirements. Whether you are looking to place a large-scale order for your industrial production or just want to dip your toes in the water with a small battery purchase, we are here to help. We are here to assist. Yes, and our prices are competitive in the market, and we guarantee timely delivery. Yes, and if you are interested in our product, don't hesitate for sending us an inquiry or leave a comment. Yes, we are eager to build a long-term, mutually beneficial partnership with you. And thanks a million for watching. Yes, thank you very much. And yes, thank you very much. Uh, Thank you for watching today's live stream, and we are just waiting for your message. Yes, and in the last uh, uh, I want to introduce the 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 ferroalloys in our website. If you are interested in one of them, you can click our website directly. Yes, our recent at present the product in our website. Uh, the product in our website nitride alloys, calcium alloys, alloy called wear, ferrosilicon, ferrochrome, and other products. Nitride alloys uh, include include the contain silicon nitride, ferrochrome nitride, silicon manganese nitride, ferrosilicon nitride, and nitrated ferromanganese. Yes, and calcium alloy contain the calcium metal, calcium silicon. Alloy cold wear contains the calcium cold wear, calcium iron cold wear, calcium silicon cold wear, and carbon cold wear. Ferrochrome, I think we don't need to take more time to introduce it. It's ferrochrome and nitride alloy are best selling in those products. Yes, if you are interested in it, contact us directly. Yes, and for the other products, there are ferromanganese, whatever high carbon, low carbon, or medium carbon. Silicon manganese, manganese metal, silicon metal, and and some some ferrovanadium. Yes, just we introduced before. Ferro and ferro more libidinum, ferro niobium, no? 哎呀，这个词 ferronico, yes, and ferrophosphorus, and atomized ferrosilicon, inoculant, nodularizer, yes, and high carbon silicon, silicon carbide, carbon reserve, silicon, briquette, magnesium, yes, uh, many kinds, yes, many kinds of ferroalloys in our website. If you are interested in it, please leave your message or leave your inquiry, leave your comment, and we will contact you, or you can contact us directly. Leave your message and get the price or other informations about the ferroalloys. Yes, okay. Today's live stream will be finished. Okay, hello, Fiona. The live stream will be finished, and let's uh, see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.